let's move to GS paper 2. That is the CSAT. I know that CSAT is a qualifying paper. You just need to score some 33% marks. But in recent few years, I've seen students failing a lot in that. I know personally few of them who could clear GS1 by very good margin, but they failed in GS paper 2. Now, I am basically a medical student. Medical as in I took physics, chemistry, bio in class 11. So last interaction मेरा maths के साथ class 10th में हुआ था, and I left it because this is one of the most horrifying subject for me. But रीजनिंग वॉज नेवर अ प्रॉब्लम, मेरे लिए रीजनिंग कभी प्रॉब्लम नहीं था. तो जब मैं यूपीएससी में मैंने स्टेप किया तो फर्स्ट आई सैट डाउन विद सीसैट का पेपर और मैंने देखा कि इसका पैटर्न क्या है. तो मैंने 3 सेक्शंस आइडेंटिफाई किए. एक रीडिंग कॉम्प्रहेंशन, दूसरा क्वांट वाला पोर्शन था, एंड थर्ड वाज योर रीजनिंग एंड एप्टीट्यूड. आई वाज गुड विद कॉम्प्रहेंशन. At least if I'm attempting 27, 28, 25 questions approx मेरे सही होते थे. तो I knew I could extract maximum marks from the comprehension. Then मैं switch करती थी to reasoning. Reasoning से I used to pick up some 10, 15 to 20 questions. Setting arrangement के question हो, dice के question हो, cubes के question हो, और series के question हो. तो all of that were very easy for me because I don't know, worked for me, so I used to then couple it up with that. Then I used to move to quant. और quant में because I was very weak, तो मैंने कुछ specific एरियाज आइडेंटिफाई कर लिए थे, जैसे टाइम एंड स्पीड, टाइम एंड वर्क, ठीक है, स्पीड, डिस्टेंस एंड टाइम, देन परसेंटेज हो गया, एवरेज हो गया. सो दीज आर 5-6 थिंग्स जो मुझे लगा कि इससे एक तो क्वेश्चन ज्यादा आ रहे हैं और शायद मैं इनको इजिली कर लूंगी. I was not very good with permutation, combination या probability. So I used to never go there also. मैं उसको कभी touch भी नहीं करती थी. I just went with them. And with this combination, I could attempt some 45 to 50 questions, because of which I was able to clear CSAT in all my attempts. Even in first attempt, I couldn't clear the prelims, but CSAT was I was 75, 74, 73 ऐसे marks रहते थे. Last attempt में I think paper 2023 का बहुत ही tough था. We saw people from engineering background also talking about that openly कि हाँ paper was on the tougher side. But that year also I scored 69 marks. I know it was very close to the cutoff, but I cleared it despite being a math student. So I think CSAT is something जिसमें अगर आप previous year के कुछ last 5 years के previous year questions आप solve कर सकते हो, and you can identify the areas जहाँ से ज्यादा questions आ रहे हैं. CSAT में क्योंकि cutoff already है कि आपको 33% ही लाना है, you can identify your own forte and you can just stick to certain questions. 45 से 50 का attempt करो जहाँ पे आपकी accuracy बहुत अच्छी होनी चाहिए, and I think you will be able to clear the cutoff with a nice margin. This year I scored 75 in the CSAT, so I think it was pretty much good. So this was my approach towards the CSAT.